Similar to the founder of SCSIT, Engineer Doroteo Salazar, we believe in education as the solution to economic and social ills of the country.
Together with Salazar Colleges of Science and Institute of Technology's outstanding commitment in the high standard of education, we can achieve our goal of providing a better learning and teaching experience in this ongoing digital shift.
It takes a lot of people for good students to become good professionals. It takes a village. It takes good school partners to deliver that. And ASUS, I'm very proud, has welcomed us into helping our students chase their dreams.
I am so happy to be part of a family that is working together with ASUS in trying to uplift the education of the less privileged students that we have.